Well, hello, I'm Steve Hirschhorn and welcome to another Gallery Teachers Masterclass. This one is about youth speak. It's rare that published materials include any reference at all to current youth argot or slang, the language of youth. I suppose that's because it would go out of date, out of fashion too quickly. I mean, the language of youth changes, doesn't it? New terms arrive, they're adopted, they're adapted, they're dropped. More new terms arrive. Lexis changes, and actually grammatical form can also change. So I'm going to try to examine this phenomenon of youth speak, and I'm going to ask whether or not we as teachers should be doing anything at all with it. Should we be paying attention to it in any way at all? Or should we be simply ignoring it? Should we leave it where it is? I'm also going to link that central topic with approaches to syllabus creation and the differences between top-down and bottom-up course planning. I want to try and show that it's beneficial for everybody, and I mean everybody, to negotiate to some extent with students over what they're going to be looking at on their course. See you soon.